Hello friend, How are you? Today I will discuss which share is a favorite for me, where I should be invest there. So let's see how to earn money in short term, where I should be invest money for a good return. But it is a risky because of that's all stock are panic stock. So but I can earn money in short term. So that is good. Let's analyze which stock is beneficial for me. I have to choose the six stock which give to me good returns like Parley, HMT, Arcoms, Yes Bank, South Indian Banks, Dish TV, and VI. Every stock is a panic stock, but I get the chance and then easily earn to money in short term. So that's why I have to choose. Let's see. My first stock will be I will choose the Parley. Then let's see how to actually Parley stock is my favorite stock and product is also favorite because of all FMCG products is my favorite like Happy and Parle-G. Every product is I like it, so that's why I have to choose and share give to return in short term. So that's why I have to choose this stock. And even I see uh, basic fundamental of this stock is not strong, but it's a panic stock. So I choose this stock. So let's see. Today Parle share on 9 rupees and 14 paise. It is a panic stock, so I want actually profit. Even there is on 12 rupees, so then I will sell the share. So I want to make the video for profit in short term purpose. So let's see how to earn money on which resistance and which support is better for me, and where I should be buyer and where I should be sales. Let's check chart. There are chart. I have to mention with three colors and green, red, yellow. uh, greens greens gives to me where I should buy, and yellow I should ready for buy, and other green is focus on where I should sales lastly. So even I buy the shares on 9.4 rupees, that is a great, and I should be prepared 11 rupees, but it's not good. But my buy position will 9 rupees and 4 paise, and I will sell 12 rupees and 20 rupees as per as I have to mention on the chart, which mentioned through red colors. So I will be share I will be sold the share on 20 rupees. Next one is a HMT. HMT is a public sector company, and this is a better. This company is regulated by the government, and someday I hope announced through the Indian government. The government want to sell on shares, and then the company will become the private sector company. To uh, some years before, Indian government is announced to public they want to sell HMT shares. After sell the all shares sales by Indian government, then company shares will goes down. So that is the main reason. But that company is good. But main product is a tractor. Tractor is not working in India. So that is a panic become the panic, but that is a good company. So I will focus because I have to choose the panic stock which give to me good returns. So let's see uh, why I should be invest and where I should be invest. Let's see which is a better resistance and support. That is a chart of the HMT. HMT is today 30 rupees 40 paise. Next is the chart of HMT. I have also mentioned in three color: green, yellow, and red. I even fall down HMT shares on 10 rupees, then I will be buy. Even go on 20 rupees, then I will be ready for this year, and even I get the red lens, then I will be should the sell this shares. But that share is work on high, so I will wait for that stock. When the shares fall down on 20 rupees, then I will be purchase, and then they will be fall down on 10 rupees, then I will be buy. That time is not good for the buy, so I will be wait, then I will be buy. Next share is Arcom. This is a company of Anil Ambani. Nowadays that condition is not well of Anil Ambani, so I will wait for good time, then I will be share. Its share is also become the panic stock, so I will be wait, and let's see. As far as that share run on 3 rupees and 5 paise, that company gift me good opportunity, so I will be. Let's see chart of Arcom. Arcom is nowadays, I also mentioned 3 colors. Green is 1 rupees and yellow is 10 rupees and red is 3.5 rupees. So when this at the fall down on 1 rupees and 1.2 rupees, then I will buy the shares on huge amount. And last is 3.5 rupees, that is goes to on high, so I will wait on 1 rupees, then I will be buy according to chart. Another one is a Yes Bank. Yes Bank is also my favorite stock, and that situation is best for investment. I will invest in this year because of, according to chart, that share is a good, and that is a second largest private company, so I should be invest in this company. So let's see the what is the price of that. Price is 12 rupees 30 paise. That is a best share. I easily purchase on 12 rupees and 35 paise. So according to chart I will be purchase because of that is the second largest. I never forget it. That is my favorite. So let's see. According to chart, green is 11.995 rupees, and yellow is 20 rupees, and that is 30 rupees. But when this year fall down on 11.95 rupees, then I will be buy. But that situation a good opportunity for the buy. So let's focus on that share and then buy on small amount. South Bank is a private bank. This is also same situation like Yes Bank, and I should be invest. That is also penny stock. So let's see chart where I should be invest and where should I buy and sells. South Indian Bank run on 10 rupees. So that is a penny stock, and without seeing the chart, I could not be analyze where I should be invest. So that is a good banks. So that is a not Indian, that is a South Indian banks. So let's see chart and where I should be buy and where I should sell. So there are 3. South Bank today price is 10 rupees. So where I should be invest, where I should be buy. Actually fall on 5 rupees, that's it. I should be buy on huge amount, then they will be reach 7.50 rupees on yellow, so I will be should buy on a small amount, and then I will, then the share is on 10 and 12 rupees, then I should be sell, that's on 12 rupees. Next one is a Dish TV. A Dish TV is a satellite network, and that company is working through Subhash Chandra companies, and that is a good shares, and that is also penny stock because of that company is working on individually Dish TV. So let's see what's the price of the share today. Nowadays is 12.25 rupees. According to chart, chart is also there. When they reached on fall down on 4 rupees, then I will buy, and then in reach on 8 rupees, then I will also buy on the small amount, then they will reach on 16 rupees, then I will sell this. That is a price of buy and sells. So let's see. And another is a Vodafone is a merged company with Vodafone and Idea. Together they're working. So that is every day I get panic news. So I don't know when the company will close and shut down. I don't know. So, but even I want to invest there. There is a good share for investment. So let's see. Today is this year 6.65 rupees. That is good price. So that also fall on 2 rupees. That's yours. So let's see what is chart said that and where I should be invest. According to chart, I should be buys on by 2.5 rupees. Even the company fall down on 2.5 rupees, then I will be uh, buy the shares huge amount on 2.5 rupees, then they reach on 7 rupees something, then I will be purchase, and then they will reach on yellow, then I will be on 15 to 16 rupees. Thank you.